Sinomech Corporation, established in 2007 with the headquarters in Guangzhou, is the Chinese leading supplier of solventless laminating equipment and other related machines. Sinomech has received international certificates of ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 45001, and ESG, etc. All the products are conformed to CE safety standards. Sinomech has about 160 well-trained staff members, about 70% of which have college or graduate education background. Sinomech products have been widely used in flexible packaging, carton and box industry, semi-rigid plastic packaging, furniture and decoration boards, digital printing, solar panels, and laboratory applications. With installations in more than 40 countries and regions, Sinomech has provided for overseas market about 70% of all the Chinese-made solventless laminators and received worldwide reputations for its high-quality products and technical support. In recent years, Sinomech has made great achievements in R&D of digital processes and equipment, especially successful in triplex and quadplex laminating lines. SM140 Standard Mixer is a model of two-component adhesive metering mixer designed and produced by Sinomech Corporation. Two precision gear pumps driving by independent servomotor allows outstanding achievement for desired mixing ratio and the possibility to set the required flow to the specific consumptions you may have. The control on each servomotor is warranty for 1% of accuracy for the mixed adhesive delivered theoretically. The sophisticated combination of PLC, servomotors, and software assure a more stable performance for long-time use. A400 is the right choice for users who are freshly introduced to solventless lamination. It can be used for the lamination of different kinds of plastic films, metallized films, and aluminum foils. The max lamination speed is 400 meters per minute, which greatly ensures production efficiency. With stable and reliable performance, it is warmly welcomed by small and medium-sized flexible packaging and converting companies. A400 is a better choice for you to enter the field of solventless lamination. Launched in 2021, the A400 3V vertical triplex solventless laminating machine has been widely used for multi-layer lamination in China and has become one of the popular triplex models. Thanks to Sinomech's unique design for the machine layout, the shortest path for alfoil can be achieved, allowing operators to handle alfoil lamination jobs easily. With dual lamination nips, this machine can also eliminate the bubbles or white spots problems for high barrier materials lamination. A400-3V vertical triplex creates an easier way for alfoil lamination. The A400-4H13 is the world's first quadplex solventless laminator, pioneered by Sinomech Corporation. This innovation serves as a new platform for multi-layer and long web paths solventless lamination. It is an ideal solution for commonly used four-layer laminate structures such as cooking packaging, electronic packaging, chemical material packaging, etc. It has been proven by many converters that quadplex is a very effective way to improve production efficiency and reduce wastage. In addition, quadplex can also be used as a triplex or duplex laminator.